What up, what up? Haven't been recording like that, been working. I'm helping my uncle paint his house. It's been taking me a while to do that. And I haven't finished that truck either. So I have another video that, you know, I haven't finished it because I haven't put no time to that truck over there that we bought. But yeah, so it's gonna be mixed videos, I guess. But you know, everything's on here. You know, I got the fender ready to put on. That's the one I painted. But you guys will see that video. So I haven't done anything to this truck. I need to get going because right now it's a good time to be selling because of tax season. I was using that van, but I gotta take it to the mechanic. I think there's something wrong with the suspension. I gotta check that out. So, and it's running a little bit rough, so I gotta give it a tune-up. So I've been using this van. So I made it with my guy, well, high school friend. I want to put these on like this metal guards all right here, this edge right here. I couldn't find, well, they're not expensive, but it's hard to find the ones that go right here, like the one in the back. Like, oh, you can't see them because they just make it for the big windows. I couldn't find the smaller windows, so I have to build it myself, I guess. And it's, you know, way cheaper. This cost me 20 bucks. I just gotta grind the edges. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I was thinking of bolting it on, but what about if I hit the glass? So I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna just cut a little bit of this off, grind, not all of it, just the areas I'm gonna weld it. Just the areas I'm gonna weld it, and you know. Okay, this is what I want. Something like that. If I can bend it, even better. Okay, so here's something I was thinking. Weld it from right here, and you know, a couple, you know, right here, right there, right here, and right there. And that should be good enough. Because if they do break, you know, break the glass, you know, because I bought the locks for the both fans, for the doors, so they're gonna try to break into the windows. And once they, well, I mean, this is just to try to prevent them. Anybody can get inside a van. They can kick those down to get in here, but you know, they're gonna have to make a lot of noise. The locks I'm talking about for the vans, you know, these go out here, you know, when both fans are locked. I just thought about, I just closing up right here, I just thought about this. Should get another one and weld it to this piece of metal. There you go, just cut like a little opening to this for the handle. So, you know, it's dark out and they're trying to, you know, robbers are smart anyways though, but you know, the key is to try to, you know, make it difficult for them. They have to make too much noise just to open it. They're gonna be like, it's not worth it, we're gonna get caught. But these doors are always locked, so it's like, you know, they can jump the fence or whatever, but it's gonna be hard for them to try to get out, you know, if they got caught or something, unless they run over there to the trail tracks. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna do this, so you know. It's big.
Me encanta, pero ¿dónde conseguimos el mismo tipo de sombreros?
Déjame buscarlo con el nuevo Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Solo tengo que circular el vestido y listo. Lo podemos comprar en estas.
What's up, Easy? Finally, bro.
Oh yeah.
What you doing or what?
Oh, I'm gonna start building a wall form for like a stoop.
Órale, órale.
And you finish the stoop.
Yeah.
I want for that. So basically,
For what job?
this coming up, I think like in mid-April or mid-May.
Big in here.
Yeah.
I know.
All of this stuff, like the power washer and like the esto,
Yeah.
it's gonna go, and then that's gonna go.
I forgot to ask you. Do you have your welder with you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I
'cause
have my
didn't-
welder over here on the truck. Everything extension cord.
No, yeah, bro. It's better be prepared, bro. When you get to the job, you know, you right away bang it out, you know.
Yeah. I compré unas cosillas like this. I just bought it for me one because I know they sell heavy duty, like.
Yeah.
But this is like $20. I'm like, you know what? It's cheap, it's affordable. Start.
Yeah, bro. As long as it gets you going, bro, you're good. You know, later on when you get the jobs done, you know,
Yeah, bro.
you just buy.
Pinté este. The video hasn't even come out.
Oh, you
They know it's
painted?
gonna come out Sunday. Lo pinté. I greased it up. It was really greased. And then I painted it. I primed it. I painted it. I welded this shit.
Oh, yeah.
Dice la people que se va a quebrar. I'm like,
A ver. This ain't gonna break off. No, está bien duro.
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Nah, I ain't gonna break off.
You know how people are.
They don't know, man. And it looks like it. People think like on the videos it looks like it's on there, bro. It's not gonna come off.
And then, no mames, ¿cómo me hizo de?
Mira,
¿Cómo? Ya me la trajiste, Sira.
that's for you.
For the video.
That's for you right
Yeah,
there.
well, thank you.
So what did my guy say?
Okay, I'm getting a shirt too, bro.
Are you gonna share it too?
Yeah, me animé esa polos with the name aquí.
Oh, yeah,
Because
bro.
I
It's
seen
nice.
Seco and Fantasmas. I'm like, dude, I gotta get that shit too.
No, he knows a lot of guys,
Oh,
bro.
he knows everybody. I'm like, damn, you know.
You saw he does some headrest? Embroidery on the headrest?
No way.
Yeah.
En los
Yeah.
asilos. Bro, I'm about to get to him too.
Yeah, he
a
does.
lot, bro. I don't even know what to give, bro. He's like,
Yeah.
He's like looking at me like he knows I want to spend money. Me dice más, pero
I'll back my van up so we can weld those guards up. Man, Eric has a lot of stuff. It reminds me when I started. We were just talking about that. When you look at your yard, all your stuff, all your equipment, you just think about the memories when you barely were starting, and you know, when you were struggling to buy everything. Man, I just keep telling him it's just the good memories. And that's the ones that keep you going. Hey,
sin saber nada de así de welding o así.
está chiquitita.
Sí, está chiquita. Y ese jale.
As long as it gets the job done.
Los guantes, ahí están.
Guantes, ¿qué pues? ¿Qué pues? Si soy mexicano.
¿Es atrás o hacia frente?
Aquí al lado. No, just right here, bro.
Tú sabes lo que pasa. Como dicen.
Yeah, but look at this, the ones that I want to weld here.
Órale, órale.
You look at the ones in the back.
¿Qué le pusiste?
Cause I tried ordering these, so I won't have to be struggling, right?
Yeah.
These,
Oh, okay.
but they don't sell them for the two little windows.
Okay,
They just sell them from the back.
Yeah, from the back.
So I was like, ah,
You should weld
man.
this too, no?
Pues yeah, también, pero
That's for when they break in, right?
well, I want to make it harder for them
Yeah.
if they try to.
Yeah.
Obviously they can.
Yeah,
You know,
they
break the
can.
window, they kick it in, but they have to make a lot of noise. You know?
¿Tienes hasta micro? That's what I
Luego?
need. That's what I need. That's why we're talking.
I was looking at the Ryan's videos. I'm like, you guys don't have a microwave, at least in one. At least a cooler. You guys go to Quick Trip every day, get a bag of ice.
Yeah,
You guys won't have to be carrying your
That's what I'm saying.
everything, you know?
With Daryl, cuando estaba Daryl Jr., Daryl, that's
Yeah.
what we used to do, pero we've been slacking. Mira, bro, hasta tienes el sign.
Todo. Todo.
Samuel.
No, un día te voy a invitar allá a mi yard. So we can go to my yard and
Pain. There you go, let's go.
Yeah.
Oh. This is a big one.
You know who made this for me? Frank.
See?
Yeah, he made it for me. Musky, he was barely nerdy, but you know he did good. You know, it's just to advertise it, so
That's
good.
That's the job.
Okay.
I gotta go get gas because I don't got gas.
You don't got gas?
No. Let me go get gas. We can go get gas and this one. You wanna go para no ser para dejar así. Nadie va a llegar aquí, no se van a.
Como quieras. You want me to go with you?
I mean, if you want to.
Let's
You
go.
don't have to. You
No, let's go. Let's disconnect the battery. Want to mess up on me. So I heard that if you weld with a battery connected, it can fry your computer or drain it. I don't want it to drain on me. This battery's going bad. Should be good with that one. Yeah, should be good with that one. Okay, it's gonna go right here. So we're gonna grind this corner, that corner, and this corner. We're just gonna grind it from the corners, not everything. Here goes one guard. It's on there. The welds are not that prettiest, but it's gonna hold on there. So I had it too. Well, Eric had it welded up. Well, it was in the highest setting because he welded the breaker on there, but oye, bro, forgot to ask you. Dísela bien.
¿No hace nada, güey?
No, ¿qué pues? ¿Y tu pops? ¿Qué hace tu pops? He's still doing drywall?
No, he's working with my mom right now. They're
Make it look good for
it
us.
looks good, guys.
For the thing?
Yeah, it looks good. It looks
Yeah.
really good. Not gonna lie,
It's
it
on there, you know. It's on there. It ain't going nowhere. Ya está.
Está, carnalito, eh?
Yeah.
You want to stick around or?
Yeah, let's do some, man.
Let's go get lunch too.
Yeah. Oh, aquí está un taco, están aquí, no, están buenos ahí. Ya.
Como una frame, mira.
Yep.
On top of it. Hey, that's how I do it. Ahí está bien. Así, mira, a la mera medida.
Yeah, chale.
Cortos ahí. Voy a cortar straight y ya le corto los pedazos. Tengo más piso allí en ese lado. Lo corto así. Así mejor.
Chale pues.
¿Está bien, eh?
Está bien, ahí está bien. Te lo acomodamos debajo. Ahí está. Let's flip it.
It's so heavy.
¿Cómo pesado? Vamos a ver.
Square in there. Alright, ahí está bien, güey.
¿Ya veo?
Espérate. Sí.
Okay. Change it.
Este carro. Ahí está. Ahí está.
Okay, let's
Perfecto.
hold this one real quick.
Oh, yeah.
Vamos a ver. Ahí está.
No, a little bit. Ahí está.
¿Dónde va a caer este? Aquí. Let me put another one in there. There you go.
Ahí está.
So we got done helping her putting those boards together for like a form for like a stoop. Make sure we clean up all of this. Alright, Rick, what you want this, bro?
All the Milwaukee things go in this craftsmanship.
Where do you want all the boards?
Uh,
All the scrap board. Where do you want it?
ahorita lo voy a poner, pues, the 10 footer lo voy a meter aquí adentro.
Yeah. También this plywood or what?
Maybe I even do another one for this side. Maybe I just keep it for spare or whatever. Alright guys, so
Like that. The air has a badass truck. Yeah, it's nice. I'll buy one of these. That's nice.
donde sea, ¿no quieres ir a comer?
Anywhere, let's go.
Yeah. I'll take my truck in para que no regreses.
Yeah, you're gonna come back?
No, I'm down too.
Yeah. No, es que se tenía. Vamos aquí a la taquería aquí de...
Sí, sí, aquí a la esquina. And then next door, nothing to do, so like, literally, that's it.
For sure, I'll meet you over there then. Okay, easy. Yeah, we didn't do a lot, but it was just us hanging out, I guess. Welded the guards on my van. I'm just missing the other van. Eric did what he had to do over there for his job coming up. So it's something, I guess. You know, it's better than nothing. Damn, I need to answer this lady. I'll call her back right now. But yeah, there's something to do, I guess. Just talk about plans for, you know, other jobs. And yeah, plans for other videos, just to, you know, just catch up on some stuff that we missed throughout the years. I didn't notice Eric used to work with Ryan, and so I used to see Ryan's videos a lot, and I used to see, you know, Eric on there. I'm like, wait, this guy works with Ryan. Until one time I saw him at the grocery store when I was with my wife. He was with his wife, and yeah, just we just got to talking, I guess, and we decided to make a video. Yeah, that's the only thing. Hopefully we'll make another video doing something together, and yeah. We're gonna get some lunch right now though, and then he's gonna head home. It's a line though.
Thanks for coming in and
Yeah, for sure. No, thanks for inviting me, bro.
ahí estamos, and then just let me know whenever you're doing something. I'll go to your shop and
Yeah. I wanna do the same thing to my other van. There's the two back
yeah,
windows.
when you're doing all this stuff, bro, call me.
Yeah,
whatever you're doing, bro, just call me.
We'll figure something out. You know.
So, Samuel's Pereira, Easy Concrete. I'm out. He's not. I don't know yet.
Alright, bro.
Thanks, bro.
Take it easy. Yo te lo basura, don't worry about it.
Nos vamos, eh?
Alright, thanks for the food, bro.
Yeah, no problem. Drive safe, yeah.
For sure, bro.
I'll text you, guys.
Yeah, yeah.
100%.
Órale.